3 raptors. Una will giving you his will coming fly. Now may I call on Dominic, our Braminikan. At ayan na si Dominic Rose. There you go. Palakpakan naman po natin si Dominic Rose. So once again guys, that is Dominic, our Braminikan, or also known as the Banug. Now Braminikan is the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag. And as you notice po, Kuya Cyril natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. By the way folks, this afternoon, ipapakita ni Dominic ang kanyang hunting skill or ang kanyang hunting behavior sa inyo po. So bago natin gagawin yan, ayan si Kuya Cyril sa gitna. Kuya Cyril, are you ready na? Alright, Dominic, are you ready to hunt? No boy, at ayan na siya folks. Yeah. There you go. As you can see folks, Dominic swore or flew and snatches food from Kuya Cyril. So gusto ganyan na ganyan sila mag-hunt ng pagkain sa wild folks. And once again, ipapakita yan ulit ni Dominic. Okay, one more pa daw boy. Alright, isa pa daw okay? And there you go. O, diba? Palakpakan man po natin si Dominic folks. Alright, now folks, sa Bramini guides practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. Sumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. And that's all for Dominic. Again, a round of applause para sa kanilang please. Siyempre, pagpakan nila natin mga trainers. Legacy kay Dominic, sina Kuya Cyril, Kuya Jimar, and Kuya Dexter. Okay, ayan, uwi na sila. Now, let's proceed na sa ating second raptor. Nung may call on, ang cute Nasingali, our Eastern Grass Owl. At syempre, and his personal trainer, Kuya Dex. Now, Kali, are you ready to fly? Ayan na siya, folks. Alright, Kali, are you ready now? Okay, antayin lang muna natin, folks. Now, Kali, medyo nahihiyak kayo si Kali. Kasi hindi na lang po natin, folks, no? Okay, like I said kanina, we are still working with wild animals. Ayan na siya, folks. And there you go. Palapang naman po natin si Kali, folks. Okay, once again, guys, that is Kali, our Eastern Grass Owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they are in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanyang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Palakpakan po natin si Kali. Thank you so much. Kali, thank you so much to the both of you. Okay, now guys, to our last raptor. Okay, medyo malaki ito folks, no? May pagkalakihan ito guys. Okay, now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Palakpakan po natin si Lakas. At syempre yung personal trainer, Kuya Michael. Alright, once again guys, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At syempre, ipag-previewing muna para mas makita nyo sa malapitan si Lakas, no? Alright, ayan. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos po, guys, pwede po. Basta guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga flash po natin, paki-turn off lang po. Baka kasi ma-distract sila folks na lagay sa kanina. Baka ma-distract sila at lilipad sila palayo. Maraming salamat sa pag-intindi. Okay, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haliaetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied seagull are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalaban ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sinakas po. Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, and namely, the Brahminicae, the white-bellied seagull, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang eastern grass owl. And that's all for lakas po. A round of applause. Para sa kanila po. Si Joe, yung bowling trainer naman, Kuya Maya. Thank you so much sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, uwi na daw sila. Now guys, tapos na tayo sa ating mga raptors. Pero huwag kayong magalala po kasi marami pa tayong animal ambassadors na magkikita ngayong hapon. At mukhang ready na rin sila sa likod, guys. Now folks, our next animal ambassador, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. That Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na sila Mr. Bill and si JJ. Ayan na sila po sa mga guys. That is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Bucerus mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan ang kanilang mga pilit mata. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang nila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Now guys, at the count of 3, I need you to shout fly. So what's the word again? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Yeah. One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Jimar. Kuya Richie, ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. So mas maraming insekto na nagkait si lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ating girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga folks. So buti pa sa ating mga kalaw may forever, no? Naman sa mga single ladies natin dyan, ayan, kung naghahanap ka ng forever, ha? So alam na natin, no? Nandito lang ang... Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi, isa mga trainers. Joke lang guys. So once again po, magpapakita-gilas ulit sila ng folks. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palapakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw po. So syempre, Kuya Jimar and Kuya Richie. Now folks, fan fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place. So tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Okay, moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Ito po, makulay po ito. At galing pa po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now we are on Barak. At anong klaseng ibon kaya? Tapos makikita niyo ba si Barak guys? O hindi yan si Barak ha, si Kuya Cyril yan. Ayan po, si Barak. sa gitna, o diba, napakamakulay. Alright, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako with Kuya Cyril. Okay na Kuya, so wait lang natin. Lalapitin muna natin. Siguro Kuya Cyril, may pa-free seats ba tayo this afternoon? At mukhang meron daw. So ito ng chance sa mga kiddos natin. No, mga kiddos natin na nasa harap, lapitan natin si Kuya Cyril. Ayan. Bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds ni Kuya Cyril, no? In short, i-feed natin si Barak, no? Don't you worry, don't be scared. Barak won't bite you naman. Just open your hands lang, mga kiddos. Huwag kayong matakot, ha? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi naman po nangangagat si Barak, okay? Pero guys, limit lang po yan, no? Again, limit lang po yan. Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, later po pagkatapos show, we'll be having our animal petting. So, mag-picture taking tayo mamaya sa ating mga animal ambassadors, ha? Alright, si Kuya Cyril lang po, bahala dyan sa inyo mga kids. Okay, ayan, antayin lang po natin saglit guys. And be gentle lang po. And mga kids, when you try hawakan si Barak, ha? Medyo natatakot kasi yan. O, dalawa na lang daw. Oh, sino kayang maswerte? Ayun, si ate. Sino pa? And, may plus one. And there you go. So, okay na tayo mga kids. Mamaya na lang, ha? May animal petting pa naman tayo. Palapakan po natin si Barak, guys. Alright, syempre mga kiddos, maraming salamat mga kiddos, ha? Okay naman, sige guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, kasing talino lang po ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. For example, Barak, high five to Kuya Cyril na may appear. High five, and there you go. O, isa pa lang, one more. O, isa pa lang, and there you go. At alam niyo ba guys, hindi lang yan. Napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak po. Tingnan niyo folks, ha? No, Barak, o bigyan daw ng kiss si Kuya Cyril sa pisngi daw, eh. O, kiss si Kuya Cyril sa pisngi. Kiss. Wow, di ba? Okay, natin sweet, pero wait lang. Mukhang nabitin para si Kuya Cyril, guys. So, syempre, boy, kiss natin ulit si Kuya. Pero parang hindi na sa pisngi, ha? O, talangin natin mga bisita natin. Guys, saan niyo gusto i-kiss si Kuya Cyril? Ha? Saan niyo gusto i-kiss si Kuya Cyril? Hala. Okay, eto na. O, sige, Barak. O, kiss si Kuya Cyril daw, sa lips. Sabi nila, mwah. Okay, palakpakan man po natin si Barak, folks. Okay, now guys, blue and gold macaw, no, don't build their nest. Instead, naghahanap po sila ng hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas at lalagyan nila ito ng small branches o twigs. This afternoon po, yan po ang ipapakita ni Barak guys by using his prehensile beak po. So bago natin gagawin yan, ayan, ano yung kinuha mo doon Kuya Cyril? 2 branches. Okay, now boy, are you ready na? Okay, mukhang ready na daw. Sige. Kuya Cyril, lapag na natin yung kahoy. Dahil dyan mag-build na daw si Barak ng nest. And there you go. O, ayan, dahan-dahan lang boy, ha? Medyo madulas yung kahoy. O, and there you go. O, pulot. So, again, that is their natural behavior. So, ganyan po sila mag-build ng kanilang nest sa wild, no? And as you can see naman po, Barak is using his prehensile beak to grab objects without using his... Alright, and there you go. Pulot na isa pa, boy.
Putan.
Ayan na. O, last na lang yan. Siyempre, dahil dyan, isupport naman natin si Barak, guys, ha? Uy, napakatapos na. Okay, ayan na. And there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, folks. And thank you so much. By the way, guys, blue and gold macaw are the 4th largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. And that's all for Barak. Again, a round of applause para sa kanilang please. At syempre, si Kuya Cyril. Thank you so much sa inyong dalawa. Ito nga, at syempre kay Barak na napaka-sweet at lambing. Okay, now guys, uwi na sila. Let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Kung makulay po si Barak, puting-puti naman po ang ating next nating tatawagin. Just like the clouds. Okay, now may I call on Beauty. Dito lang pala si Beauty, guys. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, please. Alright, alam po yan. Again, palakpakan po. Okay, once again, guys, that is Beauty. Our sulfur crescent cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua galerata. And they can be found in Australia and New Guinea. Now, guys, sulfur crescent cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur crescent cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanilang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur crescent cockatoo. At ngayong hapon, yan po ang ipapakita ni Beauty, guys. Now, Beauty, show them what you've got, girl. Paano nga pamanligaw mga lalaki sa'yo? Spread your wings away. Wet. Alright, there you go. Now, isa pa daw, one more pa daw, girl. Okay, paano manligaw mga lalaki? And there you go. Alright, now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos loop in branches as a form of exercise or playing around to ease their boredom. Kuya Jimar, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y nababagot? And there you go, that is their natural behavior. So ganyan po sila mag-build ng kanilang mag-build na kanila. Ganyan po yung ginagawa nila sa wild folks. Minsan parang maglalabitin yan sila. And lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also has a zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Beauty, guys. Now Beauty, show them what you've got. And there you go, that is zygodactyl feet in action. See the front, see the back, allowing them to grab objects. So syempre kasama na din dyan ang traits ni Beauty. Ayan, thank you so much, Beauty. At syempre, Kuya Jimar. Now folks, and that's all for Beauty. A round of applause para sa kanilang piece. At syempre, si Kuya Jimar. Thank you so much, Kuya Jimar at Beauty. Okay, now guys, moving on agad tayo sa ating next mga ambassador. Cousin lang po ito ni Beauty, folks. Now may I call on Jumbo.
Iril dyan. Iril.
Once again, Jumbo. And ayan na siya, guys. Once again, folks, that is Jumbo. Our umbrella person cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. So guys, little fun fact, they build their nests in twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they build their nests in leaves. At ngayong hapon, papakita yan ni Jumbo, guys, by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, pipili tayo na mag-volunteer ngayong hapon. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? I need one adult volunteer. Dito, sino gusto mag-volunteer? Saglit lang to. Adult. Gusto mo, ma'am? Ayun si ma'am. Okay, sige, tayo ka po, ma'am. Ma'am, ito lang po yung gagawin natin. Dala ka lang ng any paper money. Alright, then 20 pesos or 50. Huwag kayo mag-alala, ma'am. Ibabalik po natin yan. Ha? Umang ng mukha niyo. Grabe naman. Okay. Again, ibabalik po natin yan, ma'am. Ha? Napaganon si ma'am, oh. Alright. Okay, sige ma'am. Lapitan po natin si Kuya Richie. And again, sa mga parents po natin, mga kids, upo lang muna tayo. Just take your seats lang muna, ha? Alright. Diyan po kasi dadaan si Jumbo, okay?
Yes, Hoy, Iril, no!
Alright, again, just take your seat lang muna. And paupo na lang. Okay, ayan. Upo lang muna. Okay na, ma'am. Follow ka lang sa instruction ni Kuya Richie dyan. Alright, and there you go. Ready na si ma'am.